What's the meaning of bevel? Bevel. Bevel.
Bevel. Bevel. Bevel refers to the angled edge or surface that is created when two surfaces meet at an angle other than 90 degrees. The bevel can be found on a variety of objects, such as furniture, doors, and tools. The purpose of a bevel can vary depending on the object it is found on. For instance, furniture makers use bevels to add visual interest and create smooth transitions between different sections of a piece. On the other hand, tools like chisels and knives have bevels to help produce a sharp edge for cutting or carving. Overall, bevels are an important design element that adds both form and function to many different objects.